general protocol of an empirical formula problem is grams of each, moles of each, mole ratio. In this particular problem, we're given a percent composition of the compound, so we can assume exactly 100 grams of the compound, and this essentially converts these numbers expressed as percentages to grams. So we have grams of each. Next, we want to determine moles of each. So here we have our moles of each, and it certainly looks like a 1 to 2 mole ratio to me, but let's suppose that wasn't obvious to us. So what we're going to do is to divide each of these by the least number of moles. And that's what we've done. And what we see is that we have manganese 1.0 to oxygen 2.0, but since we need a whole number ratio, this is MnO2.